Some people want to know what is a denture and what denture options do we offer. We do full dentures for people that need them, where we replace all the missing teeth with dentures. We do like to use implants to secure the dentures. It just makes it a lot easier on the patient, especially with a lower denture, because they do move around a lot. We place 4 mini implants to secure the lower denture, and it's like night and day. We do also partial dentures. We can secure them with mini implants as well. And the great thing about the mini implants that I place is that you can go from a partial or removable denture to permanent teeth by simply adding a few more implants.